How to delete your Facebook account. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So to do that, first of all, open up the Facebook application on your mobile device and then make sure you are logged into your Facebook account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on the three lines on the top right side of your screen. After that, scroll down and then tap on the option Settings and Privacy. Now again tap on the option Settings. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the option Access and Control. Now tap on the option Deactivation and Deletion. Now in this page it will basically provide you two different options. You can either deactivate your Facebook account or you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So since we are here to delete our Facebook account permanently, we'll tap on the option Delete Account. And now we'll tap on the option Continue to Account Deletion. Now once you've done that, if you have an Oculus account linked to your Facebook account, that will be deleted as well. So once you're okay with that, tap on the option Continue to Account Deletion. And now before you can delete your account, you'll have to select why you are deleting your account. So simply tap on the reason why you are deleting your Facebook account, and once you've done that, tap on the option Continue to Account Deletion. Now before you can delete your Facebook account, if you want, you can deactivate your Messenger account, and you can also save posts in your archive or download your information and also transfer your information. But if you don't feel like doing any of that, you can simply tap on the option Delete Account. And now finally you'll have to enter your password, and once you enter your password and then tap on the option Continue, you'll have successfully deleted your Facebook account permanently. And if you don't relog into your Facebook account using your credentials within the next 30 days, it will be permanently deleted from the Facebook database as well. So that was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.